If you want to start receiving email notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn them on in just a few clicks. This is useful if you do not want to miss important account updates, security alerts, activity notifications, or messages related to your profile. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. From there, click on More. This will open up additional settings and options that are not shown in the main menu. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control your account, privacy, and notification preferences. Once you're inside the Settings menu, click on Notifications. This section controls how X sends you alerts across the platform. After that, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, you will find the different notification methods and delivery options available for your account. Now click on Email Notifications. This is the exact section where you can manage whether X sends updates to your email notifications. Once that switch is enabled, X will start sending email notifications based on your account settings and activity. And that's it. You have successfully turned on email notifications in X. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and come back for more quick how-to videos just like this one.